Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Mindtree Age program offering BSc BCA graduates an opportunity to build long-lasting exciting careers at Mindtree. Okay, so Mindtree is hiring for the BSc BCA graduates, fresher candidates. This is going to be a virtual online off-campus drive for the BSc BCA candidate. Eligibility criteria: degree, Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Computer Application. Academic performance at least 60% aggregate or equivalent CGPA. Additional criteria: BSc graduate must have core mathematics as a subject in graduation. Business mathematics and applied mathematics will not be considered. Full-time UGC recognized education in 10th, 12th, diploma in graduation. Distance learning or part-time degrees will not be considered. Graduation should have been completed in 3 years with no gaps. Mindtree will sponsor 100% of the MTech program fee. This one will be the good advantage. Hiring process: aptitude and technical test followed by HR interview. Hiring is at sole discretion of Mindtree Limited, subject to the eligibility criteria and their performance in the interview. So click here to apply for this drive. Okay, so I have already opened here. So this is the Mindtree Age program candidature information request. Please fill all data accurately. BSc BCA 2020-2021 pass out from colleges in India. BSc graduates must have had core mathematics as a subject in graduation. Business mathematics and applied mathematics will not be considered. Minimum 60% or 6 CGPA in graduation. No education gap up to 12th and should have completed graduation within 3 years. Full-time UGC recognized education in 10th, 12th, diploma in graduation. Distance learning or part-time degrees will not be considered. Country of residence of the talent should be India. Okay, so check your email ID for spelling or space issues. Incorrect mail IDs will not get any communication, so please give your mail ID correctly. Fill all these details: first name, last name, your email ID, only one mail ID, only one mobile number. Give your date of birth, enter PAN card. Do you have Aadhaar card? Enter your university registration number, your college name, college state, college district, degree type, stream type, that is your branch, year of passing 2020 or 2021. Do you have a degree certificate or provisional degree certificate? Select your appropriate answer and submit this form. Okay, so this is very simple application process. So please apply for this off campus drive, and thanks for watching this video.